Viviani of Team Sky. What a performance by Team Sky. They put him right in the wheels. Elia Viviani of Italy for Team Sky wins stage 2 of the Abu Dhabi Tour.
I'm feeling really good and really strong during the stage, and so we wait a lot today with the team for work because yesterday we spent a lot of energy with Sebastian Henao and the fans. So I needed the boys in the final for take a good position, and today they do a very perfect work. I don't take so much risk. I take a Peter Wills at 1K to go with a good sprint before the corner, but Palini and Mesjek come in really dangerous in the last corner. But so I think, okay, I wait, and if I have legs, I go after the corner, and I do this. After the corner, I do the first sprint for take another time the Peter Wills, and then when I see start, I think 1 second to go, and say, okay, it's the time to go, because Peter is really strong, and sure I don't pass him in only 20 meters. We are happy.
A little bit from hot, but then was just 130 kilometer stage, and that was okay. We tried today to do sprint for me, but then Elia was faster like me, and I did second. Is okay.